Let's have a look at question 7 now, which is also based on the question with the lamps. So the producer of the lamps wants to advertise a lifetime so that only 1.5% of the lamps will burn out before that specific lifetime. And what is that lifetime? That's what we have to find out. So what's happening here? We already have a proportion given and we want to find out something based on it. So if we have the following distribution, let's call it still the normal distribution, not the z one, just the normal distribution. Our mean is still 5,000. Our mean is still 5,000, and we want to find out a specific value of the lifetime, such that the proportion of the lamps that burn before that lifetime, so all the area until that specific lifetime, has to be only 1.5%. This must be 1.5%. Now with this in mind, let's just convert into our standard normal distribution and we'll understand what we're looking for. So let's convert it into the z distribution right next to it. So let's draw the distribution once again. But now we're doing it for the z distribution. So the mean is 0 because we're standardizing it. And now we're looking for a specific z value, right? We're looking for a specific z value over here, such that this proportion over here is going to be equal to 1.5%, which if we write in numbers, in like with digit, that's going to be 0.015. So 0.015. Now to understand this, we must first find out what z value we are looking for. So if you look in the table, in the z distribution, we will find out that the z value that has this specific proportion is gonna equal to minus 2.17. We find it from the z distribution, minus 2.17. But what is minus 2.17? That's the standardized value from the lifetime value that we're looking for. So what we're looking is for the difference between x over here minus 5,000, how much it differs from the mean of the population, divided by the standard deviation of, which is 300, and that must equal to the z value of minus 2.17. So that must equal to the value of minus 2.17. And what we can see is that we have an equation with only one missing variable, which is the lifetime value that we're looking for. So we can solve for it. We can do a cross product. Over here. So what we're gonna have is x minus 5,000 is equal to 300 times minus 2.17, which means that x, the value, the lifetime that we're looking for, is equal to 300 times minus 2.17 plus 5,000, because we're taking it to the other side, and that's equal to 4,349 hours. So if we claim that the lamps are going to have a lifetime of 4,349, there's only a probability of 1.5%, or 1.5% of the lamps are going to burn out before this lifetime that we advertise. And if we have a look, at the answer key, it seems to be the same answer. So the answer is true, and that's it.